Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Rohit, CTO at Q Services, and on this channel, I share no-code and low-code automations to help small businesses level up with tools like n8n, OpenAI, and more. Today, I'm super excited to show you an end-to-end lead magnet workflow that I've built in n8n. With just a few clicks, this workflow scrapes business data from Yelp and Trustpilot, analyzes credibility using AI, and sends automated outreach emails, all without any manual effort. Let's dive right in. First, let me give you an overview of how the workflow works. At the top, you'll see I'm grabbing the target city and category. Let's say we want restaurants in Dallas. The workflow cleverly breaks down cities into sublocations, giving you full market coverage using Google Gemini for smart location analysis. Next up, it queries the BrightData Yelp dataset to scrape details for each business, like name, categories, website, address, phone, and their Yelp URL. All of this gets organized neatly in a Google Sheet, so you always have a running list of hot prospects. But we're not stopping at Yelp data alone. The workflow then checks Trustpilot for each business, analyzes their review credibility, and even scores them. That means you're always reaching out to verified, high-quality leads, not time wasters. Once we've verified and scored our prospects, the real magic happens. AI-powered personalized outreach. Using Claude AI, the workflow generates custom email messages tailored to each business based on their reviews, ratings, and profile. No more generic, easily ignored emails, just personalized, high-converting outreach. And here's the best part. With Gmail integration, the workflow sends those emails automatically. That means you can sit back while your pipeline fills itself. Total automation. Let's jump into a quick demo so you can see it in action. First, we fetch our target location and business category. Then you can see the workflow executing. The Yelp scraper is spinning up and populating our sheet with fresh data, business names, websites, phone numbers, addresses, ratings, and more. Immediately after the Yelp scraper is finished running, the Trustpilot node cross-verifies each business, grabbing important credibility markers. Next, the AI nodes step in, analyzing reviews and crafting those personalized emails based on what really matters to your prospects. And finally, the workflow sends out the emails with all activity and statuses logged directly to your dashboard. Now just imagine the possibilities. You could easily scale this for any industry, any city, saving hours, boosting your response rates, and letting AI do all the heavy lifting. So, if you're ready to automate your lead generation and outreach, give this workflow a try. I've dropped a link to the template in the description below, along with setup tips. Got questions, ideas for more automations, or want to see a deeper dive? Let me know in the comments. If you found this useful, please hit like, subscribe for more no-code and AI automation tutorials, and ring that bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.